Today, we're going to learn how to edit PDFs for free using WPS PDF, a powerful, easy-to-use tool that won't cost you a dime. If you'd like to follow along, click the link in the description to download the WPS PDF for free. All right, let's get started. First, open WPS PDF and load your file. Just click Open PDF, select your document, and you're ready to go. No complicated setup, just drag, drop, and start editing. If you need to fix a typo or update some text, click the Edit button, and you can type directly on the PDF. Change fonts, adjust sizes. It's as easy as editing a Word document. Want to add an image or make notes? WPS PDF is versatile. Drop in a logo, highlight text, or leave comments with just a few clicks. It's perfect for collaboration or study notes, giving you the power to customize your PDF as you like. Once you're done editing, you'll want to save your changes. Simply hit Save As and choose a location on your device to keep your edited PDF. You can even export your PDF to other formats like Word or Excel. It's quick, easy, and completely free. And that's it. Editing PDFs has never been this simple or this free. Download WPS PDF using the link in the description and start editing like a pro today. No need to worry about costs, it's completely free. Oh, and don't miss our next video where I'll show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free on PC and Mac. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch now. And before you go, sign up for our newsletter to get the latest tech tips and tools delivered straight to your inbox. Thanks for watching 90 Second Tech. See you in the next one.